Introducing the Booo Krooo, the toughest youths on road. Meet Flexster, Gyro, and Bucky. Bow!
Ladies and gentlemen of the House, gun crime and social disorder are up 150%. We believe we know why. It's not due to a lack of government spending on police in deprived areas, but because of urban music, and in particular, these unruly louds. I propose we pack them off to Iraq to fight the war. That will teach them a lesson.
In 2003, a crack team of MCs were sent to Baghdad for crimes they did not commit. If you can find them, then maybe you can hire the Booo Krooo!
We got a situation here, brethren.
We need to sort it, but no arms out, pig. Just niceness.
Don't be lightweight. I got a better idea. Wait here.
Flex, you can't have that out here.
It's alright. It's made in Britain, like all them other weapons out here.
Hide it all. Can't believe man's is busting a cruise missile. Chump.
Your boy Brentford, you boys can't have this here. I have no option but to conduct a full anal cavity search. Oh, crumbs. I can't walk properly.
Them feds took everything. Now what are we gonna do?
Hear what? Don't watch that. I've got an idea. Let's build a station. Then these fools can clash on the mic instead.
Bucky's brainwave is good, so the crew make it happen. And in a flash, the station is good to go!
Yo, 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 war blow Iraq, increase the peace, bow!
Hot damn! What the hell?
Groovy! With the world locked in, the leaders just gotta represent!
Let's battle, people. Lyrics for lyrics. We need a resolution. Bow!
Lottie-dottie, Republican Party. Illuminati gonna kill everybody. Soldier weapons, we want them back. You better step down or I'll nuke Iraq.
I flash my anthrax down the loop. I murk your dad and I fight you too. I no scared of inbred hick. Want some oil? Suck my dick.
Burn your palace, take your cars, fuck your mom and infect her with SARS. Plant weapons all over the place. It's the only way me and Tony Blair will save face.
Save face? I get Chanterie. Move to Britain, a refugee. Plant those weapons, you blood clan ass, cause one day I come back. Kick your ass, pussy.
Bow! You took anything, you know? That was heavy.
That was dirty. Boo!
That was so dope. I feel I will be retiring and returning Iraq to its people. Hell yes.
Aw, shucks. I was only after your oil anyway.
I love it when a plan comes together.
The moral of this story is, make dubs, not war. Tune into the next exciting episode of the Booo Krooo!